STEM camp in one word, I would say innovative.
I think that it has to be just innovative.
Incredible.
Empowering.
Transforming.
Reaffirming.
Inspirational.
I think what captured me right away was the energy when I just walking into the building. Yes, you've got the physical layout of the building and all the unique learning spaces, but just the energy from the participants and those in charge, the lead learners. From the second I walked in, everyone was friendly and outgoing and welcoming, and when we walked into the main area and we're high-fiving each other as we come in and the music's playing, it just really set the tone.
I came here, I didn't know any of the other participants. I feel like I'm part of some kind of STEM family of educators who think like me and who provide encouragement and collaboration and just really kind of revitalize your way of teaching. I feel like this is probably the best professional development I've ever experienced in my life professionally, really and personally. We are using our hands, we are developing, we are collaborating. Everybody here is sharing the knowledge that they already have and feeling comfortable to fail, just like we want our students to feel comfortable in failing and trying again. There's no ego here. Everyone's on an equal playing field, and everyone makes everybody else feel really comfortable about the fact that nobody knows everything. And that's a fact of teaching. But a lot of times people feel like they have to know everything about something to be, the best educator, for example. STEM Camp is a way for educators to get together to learn the most innovative ways of teaching our children, the children of today.
They liked the fact that it was interactive and we were always touching something, and we were building something, and we were playing. So that is something I think that's unique to STEM Camp EDU as well, because you don't always get the opportunity to touch it and create and spend time just working with it.
No matter where you are, as we say in the classroom, they'll meet you where you are, and you'll grow from there.